up, boss stars? It's your boy CurtisDonDeano, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean shoestrings. There's nothing worse than a dope ass outfit with some dirty ass shoestrings, especially when they white. So, me being the gracious Don that I am, I'm going to teach you guys how to clean some shoestrings. Let's go. So this is a really simple process. All you need is some water, a bowl, a toothbrush or scrub brush, and some Dawn, which is what I'm showing now. So basically, I'm using some shoestrings from my Alexander McQueen. They kind of got dirty, especially in those like creases where I believe like it's laced through. I don't know how that part gets so dirty. It's like you aren't even exposed to anything. But you can kind of see the dirt all over the strings, especially when I turn the light down. Kind of see how dirty they are. I don't even know how they got this dirty. I wore those shoes probably all of 3 times. I promise you. So the next step would be putting some of the Dawn into the bowl. We'll definitely want to get a good amount in there. Then you want to put some water in there. And instead of skipping this part, I'll just tell you about how my day went. So today was a very beautiful second plan. Alright. The water was hot. That's why I brought it down like that. Because you do want hot water. And then you just want to put the shoestrings in there to soak. You know what I'm saying? Soak up some of that good old Dawn product. And then you kind of want to take them out midway through. You'll see why I say midway through in a second. I don't know what I'm doing right here. Okay, now it makes sense. So you want to kind of rub them together. You know, get that Dawn lathered all in there. See? It's like making spaghetti. Even though you don't squeeze the noodles. But spaghetti does have noodles, and noodles look like shoestrings. So it makes sense to me. But what you're really trying to do is get as much water and soap into the shoestrings to try to get out that dirt. I'm going to edit the red one for you right now. And then the next step, of course, would be drying the shoestrings. I would recommend a white paper towel, a white wash rag, or a white like body towel. And basically you just want to like grip the shoestring really, really tight and pull it through. By doing this, the paper towel is absorbing the water, and you'll have a dry shoestring. So especially if you want to like really wash your shoestrings and you are about to go somewhere, this is the perfect way to wash them and get them dry. I used to do this right before school in the morning sometimes. I definitely still was late, but I was going to be late anyway, so it didn't really matter to me. And now we're checking for those dark spots where the dirt is kind of permeated through the shoestring. And like a permanent scar. A permanent scar. And so now this is where you bring out your toothbrush or your scrub brush or whatever utensil you want to use. You could use your teeth if you want. I don't recommend it. Don't really know how it will help, but it's just a suggestion. And you just want to take some of that soapy water and scrub it. If it's a lighter stain, this shall work perfectly. And I just got this little scrub brush off Amazon. I really bought it to clean my sneakers, but I could show you that in another video. Thank God for a background music. And as you can see, that really wasn't working. So the next step is probably putting some Dawn on there. If you're really in a rush, I would just recommend, and you know you have a lot of dark spots, I would just recommend putting, Dawn on each spot. Another great option is a tie pen. Those work as well. I didn't show that here in the video, but it really works well as well. You just want to scrub that Dawn in. And then you can kind of see how it was before and then how the other one is still really, really dark after. And then you want to let them soak one more time. And then you repeat that drying process I showed you earlier. And that's it. You have some clean ass shoestrings. Yeah, so like I was saying, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.